The basics of panel web hosting. If there is a need which involves having to go to the many inboxes, all one has to do is to open one window and view them all. A shared hosting service that requires sharing the same server to its various clients, and their hosting company will manage and monitor the share. While shared hosting is affordable, you must make positive that the plan you pick must go with the basics, like scripting languages, applications, control panel, and so on. Yahoo obviously has many computers. They, like most web hosts, actually keep copies of your site's data on multiple computers this way, if the worst happens and a server fails for any reason, Yahoo Web Hosting always has another copy of your site on an alternate server, often in multiple geographic locations. Another big plus for the cPanel is that it has a protection from spam mail. It can also make it easier for the web. There are new